Welcome to Skilled MBA. Transforming academic seminars into citable resources involves automated metadata capture and integration with digital repositories.
This process ensures that valuable insights and preliminary findings from faculty seminars are documented, discoverable, and citable, enhancing academic impact and providing opportunities for citation and scholarly recognition. Faculty seminars, rich with research insights and preliminary findings, often go undocumented, leaving valuable academic voices unheard. This lack of permanent records results in missed citation opportunities and hampers the ability to track academic impact effectively. Addressing these challenges is crucial for enhancing research visibility and scholarly communication. Research visibility is crucial for faculty, ensuring their work gains recognition beyond institutional confines. Seminar content holds citable insights, enriching scholarly conversations and advancing research. Universities, in turn, enhance their reputation by showcasing faculty expertise on digital platforms, amplifying institutional impact and fostering academic growth. Dr. Ananya Bose's solution automates seminar metadata capture, integrating with ORCID systems. This ensures seamless documentation and enhances discoverability by pushing content directly to institutional repositories. Faculty seminars, often rich in research insights, benefit from this streamlined process, ensuring their contributions are properly recognized and accessible. Faculty register seminars via the portal, inputting essential metadata. The system captures ORCID, affiliation, and generates Dublin Core metadata. Post-seminar, it requests slides, enhanced abstracts, and recordings. Validated data is pushed to the repository, assigned a digital object identifier, and made discoverable.
Integrating ORCID systems ensures automatic researcher identification, enhancing academic profiles and cross-platform research tracking. This integration supports international visibility standards, providing proper attribution and elevating researcher profiles globally.
Metadata standards implementation involves using Dublin Core elements to automatically populate and validate key fields like title, creator, and date. Metadata. Object description. Schema enhancement adds granular details for complex content. Custom extensions allow universities to include specific fields, ensuring local cataloging needs are met while maintaining international interoperability. The repository push mechanism ensures quality validation through automated checks for metadata completeness and format compliance. DOI assignment provides persistent identifiers, enhancing long-term citation reliability. Discoverability is improved as content becomes searchable via institutional catalogs, Google Scholar, and disciplinary databases, facilitating broader academic engagement and resource accessibility. Riverdale University processed 340 seminars in the first academic year, achieving an 89% faculty participation rate. This initiative generated 156 citations, highlighting its impact on scholarly communication. Involving 24 departments, the cross-disciplinary success underscores the program's broad adoption and effectiveness in enhancing academic visibility and collaboration. The system architecture efficiently integrates with existing university infrastructure and external scholarly platforms. Core components include a registration portal, metadata validation engine, ORCID API, and repository connectors. External integrations feature DSpace for institutional repositories, Crossref for DOI registration, Google Scholar indexing, and OAIPMH harvesters, ensuring seamless scholarly communication and data management. Faculty members benefit from enhanced academic profiles through increased citations and visibility of seminar contributions. Discoverable presentations foster cross-institutional research partnerships and networking. Automated processes reduce administrative burdens by eliminating manual documentation tasks, ensuring compliance with institutional requirements. Institutional repository integration enhances content discoverability by aligning with existing cataloging workflows. Automated content ingestion ensures metadata integrity and format compliance. Quality assurance processes uphold academic standards before public release. Access management offers flexible permissions, supporting both open access and restricted viewing, thus maintaining institutional access policies. Faculty adoption resistance and technical infrastructure requirements posed significant challenges. Metadata quality and copyright management required careful strategies. Solutions included comprehensive training, phased implementation, and automated quality controls. Clear intellectual property guidelines and stakeholder engagement were crucial in demonstrating value, ensuring successful faculty participation and overcoming initial concerns about workload and complexity.
Future development focuses on enhanced analytics, tracking seminar impact, and research collaboration outcomes. A multi-institutional network will foster content sharing and cross-institutional discovery. AI-powered enhancements, including natural language processing, will automate abstract generation, keyword extraction, and subject classification, streamlining academic discourse into accessible, citable resources. Start with pilot departments to test and refine processes. Engage faculty, librarians, and IT services early for comprehensive support. Invest in training to ensure smooth transitions and effective system use. Dr. Bose's workflow exemplifies transforming academic discourse into citable resources, boosting faculty profiles and institutional visibility. Thank you.